Okay, here is the demo for the Battleship game. So the first thing I'll do is go ahead and start both the servers. Notice that one of them is on port 5000 with board.txt and the other one is on port 5002 with board2.txt. So now we can go and load all the web pages. So the own board on port 5000 and then the opponent board on port 5000, so they see just nothing but question marks. And then the same thing on port 5002. Notice that the two boards are different, so they are reading the different boards incorrectly. So if you go to a bad URL / bad request, which does not exist, and you hit it in, you get a bad request, and this is true for any nonsense gibberish, all returns the same thing. Alright, so now we can go ahead and notice that the pings we're getting received by the server in the terminal. So now we can go ahead and try and sync some ships. So let's actually look up where the ship is. So we'll just sync this destroyer on the port 5000 board. So it looks like that is 02 or 02. Notice we get a hit. And then 03, still a hit. And then 04, we get a hit. And sync RR is for the destroyer or whatever that board is. Now if we refresh this page, you can see those are all X's, or on the opponent side, they are all X's as well. So now we can just do a purpose miss, so we can do 1 space 1, and now we can refresh this page and it'll have an M and 1 1, and the onboard will show the same thing, and it works on both servers. So now if we're on the other person attacking, let's see where we can get that destroyer at 6 0 and 6 1. So I think it's 1 6 actually, and then 0 6, and notice we get a sync on that one. So if we go to this board now, it's sunk, and on the opponent board it has X's. It also will handle misses, so if we just type in 0 0 and then refresh this board, we have an M. Now if you were to give it coordinates that are outside of the game board, say 99 99, notice you get a not found, which is the way it's supposed to work. So that showed the bad request and the not found. If you continue, you could play the game until all the ships are sunk. But there you have the program in a nutshell. Thank you.